Yes, girls. So it's Coach Roy here. I'm here to introduce Techne Futbol app, how to use it. First of all, I'm gonna let you know, I am not paid by Techne Futbol, even though, wait a second. As I was saying, I am not paid by Techne Futbol. This is a great app to use to help you get better touches, better passes, better control and mastery of the ball. So let's begin. What you'll see, train at the bottom, weekly session or weekly training. So it has the last 3 weeks, but the current week is up. And every Sunday at 5, they update it. Now take a look at the bottom. You're gonna it's split up into juggling, dribbling, or wall work. I'm gonna go to wall work for now. And in this wall work session, it'll show me what I need to do with this video. I'm gonna throw it, control it, and then I'm gonna select 1, 2, I'm gonna try 1 minute for now. So I'll start the training. Whoops, that was a heavy touch too. I didn't like that, but I can fine tune. Better. It's okay, but I'd rather not have that ball pop up like that. You know what? I'm not satisfied. I can redo that. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Better. Could be better. You can see how I'm trying to get the reps in and practice and get better, get those touches better and better and better. Okay, I got my music set. I'm gonna go 1 minute. In case it gets too difficult, I have a feeling this one's gonna be really difficult. I'm like juggling and walking in a figure 8 around those cones. Adjust drill difficulty. So if it's too difficult, I can just go to alternating feet beginner. Yeah, that's more doable for me. Okay, I'm gonna try 2 of those. I'm gonna try 3 of those. All right, now I can do it. So you can adjust the difficulty level. Bro. Yes, girls. Don't be like Dude Bro. If you want to do it right so you can get better, you've got to be into it. It doesn't have to be perfect, but we're going to try to get better every time.
Smacking Harry hard in the face as it went. Coil after heavy coil rising up to the ceiling. Harry raised his